Loi Krathong. Loi Krathong is a shamus festival celebrated annually throughout the Kingdom of Thailand and in nearby countries with significant southwestern Thai cultures such as Lao, Shan, Mon, Kelantan, Kedah, and many more. The name could be translated as to float a basket, and it comes from the tradition of making krathong or buoyant, decorated basket, which are then floated on a river. Loi Krathong takes place in the evening of the full moon of the 12th month on the traditional Thai lunar calendar. Thus, the exact date of the festival changes every year. Thais launch the krathong on the river, canal, or pond, making a wish as they do so. Krathong is traditionally a small leaf container which is made to hold a small portion of goods like traditional Thai dish such as homo or dessert. A krathong is decorated with elaborately folded banana leaves, 3 incense sticks, and a candle. A small coin is sometimes included as an offering to the river spirits. So that's the very short and brief description of Loi Krathong. Hope you learned something new. You may continue watching the whole content of this video and hope you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching.